Hey guys. How are you? I'm back. I've done that about 3 times, so let's just start this video, okay? So hey guys, I'm back like I said before. Let's just say junior year has been a year. People have said junior year is so hard, junior year is so hard, and don't even get me started. It's been rough. That's why I haven't posted in like 10 months. Hi, trying to kickstart my YouTube career at 13 years old. Anyway, I'm here to do an Ulta haul / Walmart haul because I spent $75 on makeup, and I'm going to explain why and just talk myself into it. One of the first things that I bought was a new foundation. So let me be a YouTuber. I don't know if you can see it. My computer's connected to my camera right here, so that's what I'm looking at if I'm looking down. But no, you can't see it. Okay. So this is a Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's supposed to make your skin look like you were born this way, basically. Packaging is super cute. I love that it's glass. I don't travel, so it doesn't matter to me. Every YouTuber's like, when I travel, I don't want it to break or whatever, but you know, I don't travel. I love staying at home. So I bought this in the shade Sand. I already knew that. I just needed to do that, you know. And previously, I was either using the Pure Bare It All foundation. I always use this in my videos. Or I was using the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus concealer all over my face. This one is heavily fragranced, extremely thick, dries down super quickly, so you need to do your face in parts, and kind of breaks me out. So would I recommend this? No. Not at all. I hate this foundation so much. Bye. And this I would actually sort of recommend. I feel like for the price it's good. You know, it kind of does the job. The other one's hard to work with. This one's more liquidy, and I'd rather have a more liquidy foundation. So that's why I bought this one, because it's so liquidy, and I just saw a lot of... And this is why I don't film videos, because it's liquidy and it blends very easily. I tried it a little bit on my skin yesterday. It matches me almost exactly. It might be a little dark. It's medium to full coverage, and it has a bunch of skincare benefits like hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and you know, you get the gist of it. It's a natural satin finish, and I like how it's not super heavy. It does not feel heavy on the skin at all. So next, I bought another of the Wet n Wild concealers because I told you how I had another one, but I bought it in a slightly lighter shade. I think you can tell the shade difference. So yeah, I bought it in a slightly lighter shade because I want to use it under my eyes, because the Maybelline Age Rewind, I'm almost done with it. And it's not cruelty free. These are all cruelty free, by the way, every single thing that I bought. Next, I bought the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus powder. I heard a YouTuber named Lizzie Whoop Whoop talk about it, and that's not why I bought it. I bought it because it was pretty cheap, and I have to say, I used it a little bit yesterday. You know, when you buy makeup, you just want to put it on your face. So I used a little bit of it, and it's the banana version. And what I like about it is it feels very light. Previously, I was using this, you guys have heard of this. It's a Coty Airspun. I use it because of Tati Westbrook. The problem with this is it adds extra coverage, and it's super light. If you're super dark, this is not gonna cut it for you, because it creates like, I don't know, it's like an ashiness. It adds so much coverage that it makes you look cakey, and I just don't like it. Compared to this one like, it doesn't really leave a color behind. Yes, it brightens because it's a banana powder, but it doesn't leave an intense color behind or add extra coverage. So I'm really excited to use this. And in addition, this one kind of smells, even a grandma wouldn't use it. It smells so florally. It's not cruelty free. Wet n Wild is cruelty free. I know there was drama around that too, but I think they're still cruelty free. So yeah. So next I bought this. This was another recommendation actually I got from Tati. This one, I've had it for a while. I think you guys have seen me use it in videos. And this one's a little closer to my skin tone. And the one that I bought yesterday was this one, and it's much lighter. It was around $9. It was one of like the cheaper things that I bought. The foundation was $39, which, you know, let's not talk about that. My wallet is screaming. But I bought this mainly so I can set under the eyes without using a loose powder if I don't want to, or just set the eyes when you want to do eyeshadow or anything. So next I got this, it's kind of a cleansing oil, but it's more of a jelly. It says jelly cleanser, and I used it 2 times already. And I already have my thoughts on it. I feel like it's definitely nice. Like, it will melt your makeup off. It's called Makeup Melt. So of course it will melt your makeup off. It's by the brand called Bliss. And it is cruelty free. I think maybe like a pure oil would work better. I was reading the ingredients yesterday because I knew I would film this video today. And a lot of the ingredients are oils, but the first ingredient's water and the second one's glycerin. So yeah, it's not mainly made out of oils. Yeah, the oils are probably more like to hydrate and stuff. I want to lessen, you know, my use of makeup wipes for the planet and just for my face, because rubbing your face is obviously not good. Do I regret my purchases? No. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of boring, but you know, first day back, first day, we're not gonna make the best content, and then it gets better and better as you go, you know? Like this video, subscribe, my social media will be down below as usual, ring the bell, do whatever you want, turn on notifications, because I'm not gonna come up in your subscription box, or I don't know how YouTube works anymore. Just, I don't know, just support me, comment, share, just go off, you know? That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!